Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, The Modish Twins. So today I'm going to tell you my favorite skincare products for oily skin. So my skin type is oily and my T-zone area is super oily. In summers it gets worse and in winters I moisturize so much that it comes to normal, but in summers it's really bad. And how to cope up with the oily skin in summers also, I'm gonna tell you that as well. So if you wanna know what skincare products I use on my skin, please keep on watching. Let's get started with the video. So first product, actually I don't have only skincare products, I have hair products also, I guess 2-3. So I'm gonna tell you what hair products do I use. And let's start with this one. This is a Thousand Wishes hair perfume. This is my favorite hair product from Bath and Body Works. In summers our hair tend to get oily and smelly, and this perfume gives you a beautiful fragrance to your hair. You just have to spray it a little on your hair, like just shake it before using it and just just spray it on your hair and you're set to go, guys. Trust me, this product is worth buying. This retails for I think 1499, 1500 almost, but I got it on sale. It was around I think 600 or 700 rupees, but it was a steal. And it's been 2 months I've been using it और ये अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So you must try if you haven't tried this. So next product we have is a skincare product. It's a toner. So it's from Aroma Magic by Blossom Culture. So this is only for oily skin and it refreshes the skin so beautifully, and it says it tightens pores and revives skin. I don't know about the tightening of pores, but yes, it really refreshes my skin. And I've been using this for about an year. I think इसकी पूरी range I've tried, from the sunscreen, and sunscreen is my favorite. अभी वो मेरे पास नहीं है, but I use that also. I'll link it down below in the description box so you can check it out. Oily skin के लिए best sunscreen है Blossom Culture की. You have to check it out. Aroma Magic range की, and this retails for 125 rupees. बहुत सस्ता है. Guys, try this अगर आपने try नहीं किया है. ऑयली स्किन, बहुत ये मिथ्स हैं कि ऑयली स्किन है तो यू डोंट नीड टू अप्लाई मॉइस्चराइज़र, यू डोंट नीड टू अप्लाई ऑयल्स. गाइज नो, यू हैव टू अप्लाई. आपकी ऑयली स्किन अगर आप कुछ अप्लाई नहीं करोगे वो और ज़्यादा ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करेंगी, एंड दैट्स नॉट गुड फॉर योर स्किन. पोर्स आएंगे, एक्ने आएगी. तो इट्स बेटर टू फॉलो अ स्किन regime, and if you want to know what skin regime I follow, I'll tell you in the next video, but you have to comment down below so that I know that you need to know my skin regime. So yeah, second product is the toner. Next product, I have an eye cream from Dermalogica. This is the eye cream. This is the best eye cream I've ever used in my entire life. This is a stress positive eye lift. I have a puffy eyes. Whenever I have puffy eyes and whenever I wake up in the morning, of course I don't use it instantly I wake up, but once I wash my face and I take a bath and I'm all set for the day, I apply this before my moisturizer or after, doesn't matter, but this works beautifully. और ये इतना हाइड्रेशन आपके आईज के नीचे दे देता है, आपको फील होने से ज़्यादा आपको दिखेगा भी, आपको फील तो होएगा ही होएगा. बट यू मस्ट ट्राई दिस. इट्स ऑन एन एक्सपेंसिव साइड, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट रिटेल्स. इट्स नॉट रिटन हियर, but I will link it down in the description box below. Do check this out as well. Next product is a micellar water. This is a Love Earth micellar water. This brand, I just want to talk about this brand for 2 minutes. This brand, ये मेरे को PR में आया था, and once I started using this brand, I couldn't use any other skincare brand कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स तो ऐसे हैं, जो प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे आए हैं ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव यूज्ड देम, एंड I think oil, from micellar water to oils to moisturizers, everything is worth buying, guys, and it's so inexpensive. You will thank me later. आपको बिना ट्राई, अगर आपकी ऑयली स्किन है, इवन दे विल हेल्प यू. You just have to DM them, you just have to contact them. I think they are on Nykaa also. I am not sure, but they are on Instagram and you can always contact them on Instagram. They are amazing. The brand is amazing. Their products is amazing. Just I'm in love with them. And it says this product is basically argan oil infused micellar water. So you can see here, आपको थोड़ा सा येलो पार्ट दिख रहा है ऊपर एंड नीचे ये थोड़ा पानी है, तो यू हैव टू शेक इट एंड अप्लाई इट ऑन अ कॉटन पैड एंड देन रिमूव योर मेकअप. So and it removes makeup, I've already told you, and use for face, skin, lips, everywhere you want to use it. Just use it and it will remove all your makeup, and it hydrates also. Next product I have is my face wash. So I use 2 face washes simultaneously, and one मेरा ख़त्म हो चुका है. That was one Bioderma वाला, and that is my favorite, and मेरी स्किन प्रॉब्लम उसी से ठीक हुई है जहाँ तक मुझे बिलीव होता है. एंड yeah, I've tried the Avene one also a few months back, and I started using this instead of the Bioderma one, but both are almost on the same page for me, and both helps in oily skin. And yeah, this one is amazing. इसका backup है मेरे पास, so I'm not worried at all. And this is for oily, blemished and acne prone skin. So this is the Avene Cleanse Gel. This one is an amazing product. If you haven't tried this, please try this. This is for acne prone skin. And ये तो इसका I think इसका mini version है ये. Yeah, this is 100 ml and इसका 200 ml भी आता है. I think 200 or 250 ml. You have to try this product. अगर आपको try करना है, first time try कर रहे हो, just go with the smaller bottle and you love it, I'm sure. Next product is a moisturizer. It's a body moisturizer by Kama Ayurveda. I use Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body ones, but Victoria's Secret India में नहीं मिलता है, तो मैं इस वीडियो में include भी नहीं कर रही. It is made with pure essentials oils, so yeah, it's a good one. You can try. Next product is a face moisturizer, guys. This product, I swear by this product. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. It's a gel consistency. I want to show you inside. It's a gel consistency, and it's really hydrating on the skin. It is 100% for oily skin, क्योंकि बहुत से ऐसे मॉइस्चराइजर्स होते हैं कि यूज़ करते हैं हम, एंड दे डोंट सूट अस बिकॉज ऑयली स्किन है, तो बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा स्मच कर जाती हैं. कुछ मॉइस्चराइजर्स बहुत ऑयली हो जाते हैं. ये बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. जेल और मॉइस्चराइजर्स वैसे भी सारे अच्छे ही होते हैं, बट आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम पॉन्ड्स कि वो इतना अच्छा मॉइस्चराइज़र निकालेंगे. फॉर एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ फेस पैक्स एंड फेस स्क्रब्स, and I try different products. So from this brand, Skin Talk, that's a brand. It's a skincare brand, and they make bath bombs, face packs, face scrubs, and they are amazing, guys. और ये 100% organic है, and just this is my favorite. I got a box from them, and it consisted of I think 3 packs. So this one is my favorite because this one is for acne and oily skin, and मेरा ये पिम्पल मैंने Instagram पे भी दिखाया था, and I used this. मैं इसको लगा के सो गई. That's not the method of applying this. You just have to mix it in rose water or whatever you wanna use it with, normal water or yogurt. Just apply it full face. और मैंने क्या किया था, मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा सा acne आ गया था, and I had to shoot the other day. So what I thought is I mixed it with the little water, and मैंने इसको यहाँ लगा के छोड़ दिया था overnight, and the next night my pimple was gone, literally gone. मैं ये लिंक करूँगी और आपको ख़रीदना ही होगा ये. their products is just amazing guys. Do check them out. So the next product is a makeup remover. I swear by this product. Of course आप लोगों को भी पता होगा कि ये कितना अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट है अगर आपने यूज़ किया है. अगर नहीं किया है तो अभी जाके खरीद लो. It's a Bioderma micellar water. It works amazing for oily skin. इसका एक पिंक बॉटल भी आता है, I mean पिंक कैप वाला. I think this one is for oily skin. Yes, this one is for oily skin and combination skin. This is amazing. आपको कोई ब्रेकआउट नहीं होगा इससे. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आपका मेकअप एक ही स्वाइप में हटेगा. जस्ट अमेजिंग. जब भी, और आपको ये ऐसे ही लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, नायका पे सेल लगती है तो आपको तब ये प्रोडक्ट ले लो. इट रिटेल्स फॉर 1350 बट आई ऑलवेज गेट इट अराउंड 800 or something, 700 to 800 on sale. So it's a good deal if you buy it on sale. So yeah, this is an amazing product. Next is this Innisfree cream. I don't know, I would call it a balm. Actually it is a balm, it's not a cream. The texture is also balmy and it is from Innisfree. It's their I think limited edition. Please smoothly आपका फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर स्लाइड होगा ना ये लगा के. इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग एंड इट रिटेल्स फॉर, एक्चुअली ये लिमिटेड एडिशन प्रोडक्ट है. आई डोंट इवन नो कि ये अभी आपको मिलेगा या नहीं, बट यू शुड चेक इट आउट. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम नायका और इसका 3 का सेट था. आई गॉट इट अ बॉक्स ऑल्सो. ऐसे ही डेजी कलेक्शन था वो. सो इट्स अमेजिंग. यस. Next product is from Makeup Revolution. It's their 12.5% vitamin C serum. This serum, I got this in PR and it's a cream and gel consistent. Next product is a hair product. It's a dry shampoo. सबको पता ही होगा इसके बारे में, but मैंने सोचा कि बता ही देती हूँ. And it's a floral and flirty blush flavor or fragrance and it's a Batiste dry shampoo. It's a big bottle. I got it from somewhere, I don't remember. Next is also a hairspray and it's a Chi one. ये मैंने अपने हेयर ट्यूटोरियल के वीडियो में भी दिखाया था and it's an amazing hair spray. अगर आपको हेयर स्प्रे में इन्वेस्ट करना है तो आप either buy this one. अगर ये इंडिया में मिल रहा है तो I think we can get it. I'll link it down अगर मुझे मिल रहा होगा तो. और you can try the L'Oreal also. L'Oreal का जो golden bottle है, that's really a good hair spray. It firmly holds the hair and it बहुत ज़्यादा आपको बहुत सख्त नहीं करेगा आपके hair. It's a very mild hair spray and you should try this if you want to invest in a hair spray. Next product we have is a deodorant. This is a Nivea Pearl and Beauty deodorant. ये मैंने अभी ही स्टार्ट किया यूज़ करना. I usually never into deodorants but I was into mist. तो मैंने इस गर्मियाँ स्टार्ट हुई हैं and I thought of trying one. So I asked Sadika and she told me about this one and this one. I just bought it. It says 48 hours protection and it really stays till 48 hours. जब तक नहाओगे नहीं इसकी स्मेल जाएगी ही नहीं and it's that amazing. So a must try and it retails for I don't know what the price is but yeah 199. It retails for 199 और अगर सेल पे लोगे तो और भी कम आपको मिलेगा. So it's a good deal. Next product is a hand wash. It's a Bath and Body. Which fragrance? It's a White Barn. Bath and Body White Barn hand wash. Guys, this is just amazing. ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपने वॉशरूम में जब हैंड्स वॉश कर रही हूँ तो मैं किसी और ही वर्ल्ड में जा चुकी हूँ. And it's that's amazing and I really just can't. मैंने जब से हैंड वॉशेस ट्राई किए हैं ना बाथ एंड बॉडी के, मैं नॉर्मल डेटॉल और ये सब तो भूल ही गई हूँ. बट नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज actually are lip balms. First is the Miss Claire Butter Lip Balm. This is the one and I'm in love with this lip balm. ये टिंट देता है आपके लिप्स को, पूरे पिंक कर देता है एंड जस्ट रियली मैं इसके बिना ही नहीं रह सकती हूँ, पिंक कर देता है. और अगर आपको टिंटेड लिप बाम नहीं अच्छे लगते हैं सो यू कैन ट्राई दिस नायका सीरियल किसर लिप बाम. इट्स रियली अमेजिंग. बहुत सॉफ्ट कर देता है. इसकी थोड़ी शेप ख़राब हो चुकी है पड़े पड़े, बट इट्स रियली अमेजिंग एंड यू कैन ट्राई दिस लिप बाम एज वेल. Next we have a pore minimizer toning mist. It's from Indulgio. Amazing product. I think majority of you have tried this one. If you haven't, you must try this one because it's an amazing product. Next, another product from Love Earth. As you can see now, I'm a huge Love Earth fan. It's a vitamin C 20% E and hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is very good for skin. जिस पे भी आपको ये दिखता है आपको ट्राई करना ही चाहिए. And it says it's a face serum basically, and it says shrinks pores, prevent breakouts, reduce wrinkles. I don't know about the wrinkles because अभी तक touchwood आई नहीं है. So but it's really a good product on my skin. I feel I put something but I don't feel I put something, if you know what I mean. So it's a must try product. It's a Love Earth face serum, vitamin C specifically. And the second last product I have here are the Johnson Baby facial wipes. So these wipes I don't use on my skin, but I use to clean my hands, or I don't use any wipes on my face. Johnson Baby के wipes बहुत ही soft हैं and आपको ट्राई करनी चाहिए और बहुत ही बजट फ्रेंडली भी है. तो अगर आपको वाइप्स कभी ट्राई करने हैं तो यू कैन ट्राई दीज. एंड द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ आई हैव फ्रॉम द बे ब्यूटी बेसिक्स. इट्स अ मेकअप रिमूविंग पैड. येस, you just have to dip it in water, wet it, squeeze it and just start removing your makeup, and your makeup will remove instantly, guys. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I helped you a little in this video. And you need anything and you need to ask anything about our skincare or any product, you can comment down us below and we will reply to you definitely. And I hope you enjoy our channel in future also. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because in one channel you'll get to see 2 lives. Yes, we are so excited to put all our videos to you in front of you. And please like and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, I hope you enjoy our channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.